Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really great. For those who are new, my name is Funmi. I'm a hair makeup artist here in London. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a soft glam makeup tutorial that you can achieve on your own, on somebody else, your family, your friend, your client. I started off by cleaning her face, wiping her face clean, using the micellar water. It's a 3-in-1 toner by Evelyn Cosmetics. Now I'm just moisturizing her skin with the Mallow and Cucumber Moisturiser by Kaeso Cosmetics. So I'm just using that, spreading that across her face, making sure that it sinks in and allowing that to dry. Now I'm going to be color correcting with the orange corrector from LA Girl. I mixed it in with a little bit of a foundation I'll be using for the day, and I put that on the areas around her face that's got a bit of darkness. So I'm just going to spread that evenly with my brush. I apologize in advance for the camera angle in this video. It's, you know, I don't know, something happened, but I thought it was a good video. I didn't want to throw it out. So yeah, I apologize in advance. So after color correcting, I allowed it to dry and set. Now I'm going in with my foundation. It's the Bobbi Brown Weightless Foundation. I'm putting all the details in the description below if you wanted to check it out. Now I'm taking that under the chin area as well and the neck area so as to blend the foundation properly. I'm using my PLouise Rumour Base 4 to highlight the areas of her face that I need to bring out forward. So the under eye, the bridge of the nose, a forehead and a chin area. And I'm going to lightly blend that out with my damp beauty sponge. I take my time in doing this, so I blend it out very carefully. When I'm doing the under eye, I asked her to look up so that I'll be able to blend out the crease even better. So now I'm going to contour her face. I used Maybelline foundation in the shade Espresso. So I'm just carving out the areas I would like to contour. So I'm contouring and bronzing at the same time because this has like a red undertone. I'm using my beauty sponge, the other side of the beauty sponge, to do this as well. So I take my time in blending as well. You want to blend properly. Make sure that the liquid doesn't go further below. So you're blending upwards. And then you see me switching the sides. I use the foundation side of the sponge to blend out any harsh lines that I may have created. I'm just setting the entire face using my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NW45. I take that with a fluffy round brush. I take it all over the face, the neck area, basically everywhere I've applied makeup. So now I'm setting and baking with Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm putting all the areas I applied concealer earlier to set the cream product and also to be able to catch the fallout from eyeshadow that I'm going to apply later. Time to draw the brows. I carefully draw the brows following her natural brow shape. So we're not trying to transform her look today. We're just trying to keep it soft and still glam. So I'm using the Essence Brow Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate actually. So I'm using that to carefully outline her brows. You can see me brushing that with a spoolie just to make sure that everything's well distributed. I have a dedicated brow tutorial on this channel. If you'd like to watch that, click on the link above. Using the PLouise base in the shade Rumour 5, I carve out the brows. So I'm cleaning up underneath the brows, making it look very nice and decent. So I'm taking that flat round brush to do so. You can see me carefully tracing it out, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush to blend out the concealer I've just put there. So we don't want to leave the concealer just staying there, just, you know, leaving harsh lines. You want to use a round fluffy brush to make sure that it's well blended. I'm going to do the other side so you can see even better. You can see how I kind of press it in and then draw it. So I find that when I do little dashes, sometimes it looks a bit jagged, but when I press the brush on the skin and, you know, draw that circle in one motion, it usually comes out better. This palette is the Morphe 3503 palette. You should already know this. This is my go-to palette. It has like everything I usually need. I'm taking the deep burgundy shade in the corner, right in the corner of her eyes. I'm making sure that it doesn't exceed that C area. So I take a fluffy brush to blend that out and make sure that is well blended. That's the first color I'm using, and then I take the darkest brown on the same palette as well. I use that to blend on just right on top of the burgundy shade I used earlier. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do, so you're able to get videos, notifications about videos that I upload as soon as it comes out. And also you can join the family and help this channel to grow. Thank you. All right, so the third shadow that we're going to be using is that shimmer bronze shadow on the same palette as well. So I first take it on a flat fluffy brush. I pat it on the inner corner of the eyelid, and now I'm going to be spreading it. So what I do first is place the product right onto the area I want it to go, and then I start to spread it. I first place it on the area I need, and then I spread, basically. Now I'm using the Technique blush palette to apply some blush on the cheeks. Don't worry, trust the process. It's all gonna be looking great really soon. So using the Inglot gel liner number 77, I'm using that to line her eyes to create more definition. Some people use liquid liner as well. You can use liquid liner if you're really good at it, but I find that with gel liners you get more control over the product that you're using. So I went ahead to apply the burgundy shadow we started with at first underneath her eyes, so the lower lid, and I made sure that she was looking up so I could get into the very corners. I'm going to do that on both eyes so that I can unify the look. So now I'm dusting up the bake that we put in earlier just to make sure that everything has a seamless, flawless look. And just to remind everybody, please do subscribe to this channel, and if you like the content that you see, don't forget to hit the notification bell also, so you know the first time I upload any video, so you don't miss a thing. Thank you. So now I'm just setting the rest of the face using the NW45 Max Studio Fix powder. I added a little bit of shimmer, lighter shimmer shade, just to make the inner corners of the eyes pop more. It's up glam, but it's actually glam, so we need to glam it up. I highlighted the high points of the face, the cheeks, her chin, all the areas that I applied concealer earlier. Those are the areas that I put highlighter on, just to allow it to reflect and glow. You know, you can see the healthy glow. That's the reason why we do this. I'm using the same pencil I used for her eyebrows. I'm using that to line her lips. Now I'm adding a wine color lipstick. So I'm just using that to blend. I use the pencil to blend the liner and lipstick together, and I added another pink color in the middle just to create an ombre effect. Now I'm putting a clear gloss on her lip just to give it a nice pop, okay? Final touches, and spray it down with the Morphe Continue Setting the Mist. I hope you liked this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, support the work, okay? And tell a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? So like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.